gocha Kitutu Masaba. Ndege Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba goikagwe basari in full inta abana baito January nitekinega ndereta abana bali bakasubira school January mwakaribishirwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuli yiga kusi obakirisi migwitrasi chinamba chabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068.
Manche marigereria mugasomia hwiritsikeregerea Jumapili chitariki 14 kionga chinse sana na ibira senchira yobonge chabutokire chitariki 3 njengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga kurasa muno ari wimanyeririo Wilson Makori nabo Kevin Ongeri kuri studio ya kabere nera kwandike buna chibucheshi nabo yiga Mario Gingo ikira chira senchira yobo ikiran Togo cha kane muno litkerega tokogenda kurigereria umubasoka no mobe oyibwe paro uyokorekanete rituko regero sobo tuko kira rero angechinsenye niko mubasoka no mobe para okorekana ensemo ya bwarani angene kerenyo ase parenena ikuru county ya Nyamira sekuru mocho Nyamira gocha omocho rio kiricho musikano yo nigo yebwatirania enisani gosegari enke ye company ya kwasa shuttle na boigo etrera abantu ange batano na batatu nigo bagasiri amagimabo hasa bande batano bare ensemeri ya ICU na boiga bande batatu nigo bare anyagitari nene ya Nyamira bagendetse kurwanira amagimabo bari abasirete amagimabo nigo bayigetuwa senkendu ya Nyamira na boigo Montereba bwinisane yo negati abantu bari abakagira gusiri amagimabo mambiri twere rero monchi boriganto anyara chibicha na boigo chi video cy'abantu abo bagendrete osa cy'abantu abo bagendrete kuganyera baiguru egeita kegoso asenkendu yenyagitari nene ya Nyamira erio kwenekia na boyo kurigereria emibere y'abantu abo basirete amagimabo na boyo kurigereria simbanyore abamwabo abasirete amagimabo obutko bugokira rero
Alafu ile upande yake. Yes. Unaona ile anajaribu kwenda ikakuja ikapata ile.
twagendete korigeyo mubasukano uyu kubwatikana nikiriria ndekyo nigo mugavana bwa kaunti ya Nyamira Moski Muminyaribo aira chinga kyaye nabo gutarira abaroire ose bari batigetwe n'ikinkoma asinya gitari ya Nyamira sinkwana yayo mugavana Nyaribo ni gatuma magombaye gochiase chiamate chionsi sana na isato chiri cyasiretie abamwabo nabo igo nigo alireira yogo cyakorosia ekamati eyurachi kurigerera nabo gutinenera enchera ebiriro byabali basiretie amagimabo birakorekane asaborire abantere bakwa maiso ne muno chinga kichiga chimeyiga Yesu
ne serikali nuko baye ngora mono asa chari yabeta se angekeranya between konge na kerenyo asitwasi tia bantu nane na inde 5 yo varaisi yu na bato tobari wards toko batakirama ya warwarete asa abasirire shi family toko baye ngore nene yasa nerora aba baremu akimne serikali tote nena inwe agenda ise small committee ko work in families elinde tumayenga kitora akonyene ne serikali I think yenere achari enene mono yabeire Kenya kaki ya December unfortunately yabeta asito lakini rende ndiko wasinya saa aswarwarete toko wish babwene asaba driver baito nimatenga ke Christmas passengers na bange na bokora na nebwate faida koroshi trip chinyinge lakini mobe wangarivu mobe na makini enene ekiabo mambo bwati value yechibesa kiagara no ni no bari mo chigendia mura at risk abantu mo mogetie babwati family babwata baibori babwata abana akitako yeria mariga y'abantu yenda buya na utaratibu nseteri guchiande sky is not coming down.
Mujumbe wa kaunti ya Nyamira gose omwakilishi wa basubati kaunti ya Nyamira Moske Jerusha Mumanyi ensemo yaye ni gonere soke na gutume ngora yaye gochase chiamate cyo 13 cyasiretie abamwabo azinere irire chinga kiechiga na kubolia abantere bakwa maisone muno chinga kiechiga chimeyega Yesu uku reko kyanya imibasukano emengi yepara na boyo gutoria amagima y'abantu
Goya tokoreta mangana mabe amangana agero kutubwatirire binene n'abantu banyamira aseminju out of abantu ababa involved abantu nane nibo basirikiye amagama instantly abantu abanane bayale ibarase kingendu nabo iba abantu bande batanu barase amabera atorora amabera gusanga bari ICU bari geni osemba iramye mu magwabo nabere gento kibo cyane ko denesi nje bano kifabiri cyasiri n'abamwabo kibwate amagomba manene na inje bino mu county na abere ngo bwata na barabwa sinje yamariga yokorera abantu baito abandi babusibya amaginabo naenda abana abantu abange asebwa ngo ngatu abere tukoibwa bakura sa achari aiga sito Nyamira bono nibona ari gusaba no mugambi gwe borogoro bantu baito mwezi pia simwabeta mwige tutubata abantu ICU kendera kubasabira nabo igo bari baito basiriye amagima sabira kifamilie kikyagara niba yabiri mu basakano mu komu abantu baito babere bagusiriye abandi bataniyo yo masi family aina bara majanda manene bora nataka nkwane ikiagara mumenyite tumefika wakati wa msimu wa Krismasi kuna heka nyingi abantu bano ngutara bale chua abantu bakuru aseti town abantu bakuru ase risabu kogenda kuchoinya bamwabo isengenje basharekera chintereba chiaito nomaete ng'a bono iga nari nari nomaete ere peak mokomenyoka mokorigia abanto ase eng'encho gokora ebiasara biaino lakini rende twara kobasaba kamoranje chintereba nochioga oye bwa eturera nochioga oye bwa epickup nochioga oye personal vehicle noba na eye passenger vehicle chire para kamoranje amachiko ari mogosomia gabwekaine bono are kobasorora kamoranje mobwatie amachiko ye para ase eng'encho bono iga aba babete involved ase accident yeye nabo ranyore kero yomo nare onde ase barabu naro bwata amakosa aya n'amakosa aya naragerire twasiririe abantu abange separa kamoranje igo nari kobasorora aba chintereba chiaito chionsi ase mwabeta chingaki echiga tokagete ng'ango sherekea tore titochi gosherekea ase okoria tosherekee ase eng'encho gwakera nyasaye mbiyamano atokoririe omwaka buya naende tonyore ntore moyo igo nare gokwana muna mama county koru nainche amagomba anabene just family just ya bamwabo
kero amatuko 15 yokoroni okono kobasobati agenderete nane mono agochikoera gati abasabe besokire na korwania esegiyo bagokwana nigo babolire eserikali korose obumenyo bwa bantu anabasobati bari banyorire n'umuchando oyo nabo igo kwagacha chichera chia baria bakuniria abasobati nabo igo igati abaria bakuniria abasobati banyare gukumirwa ebisibo.
So this work aligns to the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence, a global campaign that calls for prevention and elimination of violence targeting women and girls. This year's focus on TFGBV reflects a rising and urgent concern among university students and young women in Kenya, where digital platforms have increasingly become tools for abuse. Abusers are now using technology to spread misinformation, hate campaigns, harassment based on gender, and intimate partner violence, among other harms. You find that 35% of women globally have faced either physical or sexual violence at some point in their life.
Perpetrators have seen that nothing is happening to them when they do what they do. So we need clear reporting pathways for GBV survivors, and we also need safe houses for survivors, and we also need a separate court for SGBV and TFGBV. And it is very sad that up to date we have not gotten any report, or from where I'm standing I've never seen any report or any response, and this clearly shows how long it takes to just get a simple information, especially when it comes to SGBV, TFGBV and all that. And that means our government is not intentional about advancing the rights of girls and young women.
And our message today, it was not just a walk, it was about disrupting the silence around GBV and especially tech-facilitated GBV. This issue is not a private issue, it is about public failure. It is about us not calling out those people who are spreading messages about GBV on TikTok and other social media platforms. It is about us shaming victims who want to speak out. It is about us not reporting those perpetrators. It is about us making victims feel ashamed. We are not here to feel pity on them. We are here to seek justice. And as violence goes digital, we are asking the government to catch up with the laws. We are grateful about the Cyberbullying Act that has been brought up. We want to see it being implemented. We want to see these people being arrested before performing the crimes, because we can't wait until crimes have happened for us to arrest people.
And so we have men who are suffering in silence. They don't speak up. So the reason that's why we came up with this work is to encourage all those who are affected with the GBV cases to speak up and speak out. Because as we know, silence is not consent, and silence is not accepted when somebody is not feeling okay.
Kirechitaika 12 iguru y'echinsa 52 chiabono mubaso mwanchu muregereria nara yukuru kiunga chinsa 52 asinchira yobwenge chukura gikomitere nega igatokoretera yomuna yanda asinchira yobwenge boigo gendera gutwara oburegereri burubya.